In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord forum channels. Forum channels are perfect for organizing discussions into tidy, searchable posts instead of one long chat. Before we start, make sure you have permission to manage channels in the server you're working on. If you don't see the forum option later, update your Discord app and check with the server admin to confirm your permissions. First, open Discord on desktop or in your browser. Log in and let the app load fully so your servers and channels appear in the left sidebar. Everything we'll do today happens inside the standard server interface, so you won't need any extra tools or plugins. Next, choose the server where you want to add the forum. Click the server icon in the left column to switch to it. You'll want to do this on a server where you moderate or have channel management rights. If you're organizing a busy community, it's helpful to think about where the forum should live so your members can find it easily. Now create a new channel. You can click the plus icon next to a category to place the forum in a specific section, or use the server drop down at the top to create it at the root. Creating it under the right category keeps your server tidy and signals what kind of posts belong there. You'll see a field to name your channel. Choose a clear, descriptive name that sets expectations like help desk, bug reports, or game strategy. Short and consistent names work best. Avoid special characters and keep it lowercase with hyphens for readability. Remember, this name is what people will search for and click on, so make it meaningful. Select the forum channel type. This is different from text or announcement channels. A forum channel lets members create individual posts, each with its own thread-style conversation. It supports tags, sorting, and better discoverability, which makes it ideal for Q&A, support, feedback, or topic-based discussions. Finally, click Create Channel. If a setup screen appears, you can add a brief guidelines message and a few tags to help categorize posts. That's optional, and you can always refine it later in the channel settings. After creation, post a short welcome note explaining what belongs here and how to tag posts. If members don't see the forum or can't post, review the channel permissions to allow the right roles to view and create posts. For smoother moderation later, consider enabling slow mode, requiring tags, and setting a default reaction to encourage quick feedback. And that's it. You've added a forum channel to your server, ready to organize conversations and keep your community engaged.